Tony!
Huh?
How you doing, buddy?
Hey, Paul.
How's it going?
Okay.
What you up to?
How are you?
Good, man.
Okay.
Good to see you.
Yeah, it's my pleasure.
Oh, you fixing this thing? Huh?
Yeah, he made a mistake.
Oh. You
He
think?
got it at the mark.
Oh, you didn't mark it?
No, you don't mark it.
Well, how do we know which way it goes?
That's right. We gotta find out.
Oh, here. Okay, yeah. Let's see. Hey.
You need the handle, see this?
Yeah. It's kind of hard to grab, huh?
It's hard to grab.
Come on, I'll help you.
No, hold it. No, I got to ring them all down. Yeah.
Getting tighter.
Yeah, get tight.
Go ahead, I got it.
Hey, you gotta hold it.
I got it. Hit it.
You can hold it. You gotta hold it like that. Wait. Oh yeah. Put that in there.
There you go. Oh.
Hold it.
Oh.
Huh? Oh. Don't move it. No.
Right there?
Right there.
Got it.
Hold like that. Press this. And move it.
Oh, it looks a little uneven, huh?
Well,
Right there?
yeah, right there.
Got it?
You got it. You gotta watch this. Yeah.
Alright.
This line.
Oh.
Here.
Yeah.
This line here. Yeah.
Got it.
Now, you got. Yeah, like that.
Right there.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah, but all of them on the side. It's better grab it.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
See, you gotta watch this line and this line. You gotta go this way.
Yep.
What's this place? Little more, that's all. You stay. It stays?
It stays.
Okay.
Hey, what's up? Hi, Nance. How's it going?
Aw, how you doing?
How are you?
See ya.
See you.
You look good.
Okay. Thank you.
Living well?
Good, yeah, trying.
Good.
You know?
Oh, you're so
This
cool.
guy, he's got no money problems, no nothing.
Yeah.
No one does,
I
do
keep
they?
hanging around him. You get nobody. I'm not going to have any money to have a problem.
Oh, speaking of
Then
money.
you don't have problems when you
Ooh. Put this on record here. Make sure they're
Oh,
real.
he's copying it with the camera.
We gotta have a witness. Yeah, the ink is coming off of these.
Yeah, we'll use this one. Tony gave it the okay.
Look, you're so cool. So, wait a minute. So, this is the top, isn't it?
What?
Is this the top of the bottle?
Of the barrel?
Yeah.
No.
This is
no,
the side, you know.
Tell me it's not the bottom of the barrel.
Yeah. Not yet.
No, but...
You gotta
No,
give it
but
a
I
handle,
thought that was
see,
the
for
handle to
me.
take the thing
And
off.
then, yeah.
You can grab it nice.
But see how the hammer's made?
Clean it out, man.
Have it?
You have to. We did blow it out.
You left all the wax in.
What are you talking about?
Inside the barrel is wax. I was going to blow it out. No.
It won't hurt. It won't hurt, man.
Wax in the wine.
It's neutral. It's neutral.
Well, we got to get this one here, Tone. The second ring.
Where's it up?
The rings of Saturn here.
Get it the other one.
Over there.
Get the other one. The ring.
Right there. Ring of fire.
Oh, that's that.
How you been?
I'm doing